Hi everyone, welcome back to you all again to Delta Tango Star YouTube channel. Join me on a little journey from Cardiff to Pontypridd. Now I am boarding to the train from Cardiff Central station. This video chronicles a memorable train ride. In this journey, you can start from the two paths. One path is Cardiff Queen Street, Cathays, Landorf, Radar, Tapsell, Treforest State, Treforest, and the other way you can start from the Ninian Park, Wongon Park Station, Fairwater, Dean's Court, Radar, Tapsell, Treforest State, Treforest, and the final destination could be Pontypridd for both two ways. When you are going through the bus route, you can go to the Cardiff to Pontypridd via 132 bus route. After passing the Treforest, I am reaching to my final destination, Pontypridd. This is one of hidden cities in South Wales. Welcome you all to the Pontypridd. It's a town with a rich and vibrant history nestled in the heart of the South Wales. This is a place where the past and present intertwine. Once a powerhouse of industrial revolution, Pontypridd has evolved, retaining its unique character and community spirit. Join with me to explore the landmarks, uncover the stories, and experience the warm welcome that makes Pontypridd a truly special destination. In this late winter, Pontypridd transformed into quite a more intimate version itself. Discover a different side of Pontypridd where you can wander through the streets at your own pace and soak in the atmosphere. Experience the unique charm of Pontypridd in this late winter. Now we are stepping into the heart of Pontypridd. Right here, in the bustling market square if you are looking for a taste of real Welsh life. Come on, join me as we explore every nook and cranny. First off, let's talk about the food. The air is thick with the sweet scent of fresh fruits and vegetables. Look at these vibrant colors. You have got plum tomatoes, crisp cabbages, and apples that look like they have been plucked straight from the orchard. The stalls are overflowing with local produce, and you can practically taste freshness. The vendors are so passionate, eager to share their knowledge and recommendations. But Pontypridd Market Square is more than just a place to shop. It's a lifestyle center. Now let's move on to the crafts and the clothing. This market is a treasure trove of unique handmade items. Now let's move on to the crafts and clothing. This market is a treasure trove of unique handmade items. There are stalls selling unique furniture and sort of items. Each piece tells a story. And if you are looking for something special to wear, you will find a fantastic selection of clothing, from vintage finds to locally designed pieces. It's a shopper's paradise. This is not just any market, it's a living, breathing hub, a place where generations connect and where local treasures are waiting to be discovered. So come on, join me as we explore every nook and cranny. Whether you are a foodie, a bargain hunter, or simply looking for a taste of local life, Pontypridd Market is a must-visit destination.
Happy is the perfect word to describe how I feel. When I'm with you, I'm at ease. I can let down my hair. We can be silly together. I don't have to pretend. With you, I'm happy just being myself. In your company, I'm never bored. We can have fun whether we're indoors or outdoors. I'm always content in your arms, no matter what life throws our way. As long as we're together, nothing can bring me down. With you by my side, I can take on the world. When I'm with you, I don't need anything else. Just your love is all I need to be happy. Without you, I'm incomplete. But with you, I'm finally complete. So as long as you're with me, I'll be happy.
I will invite you to immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere, discover the hidden treasures, and savor the flavors of Wales. After finishing the solo walk around the Pontypridd Market, again I entered the calm and quiet street around the Pontypridd city. As I said, in this late winter, Pontypridd city looks like a less crowded. During my stroll through Pontypridd, I was struck by the abundance of charity shops lining in the streets. It seems like every block had one, each with its own unique personality of charm. I found myself drawn to their colorful displays and promise of hidden treasures within. As I continued my walk, I noticed the diverse crowd of people visiting the charity shops. The charity shops also seem to reflect to the town's character. Pontypridd has a rich history and Shopswell curated collection offered glimpse into the past. I found myself imagining the town streets bustling with the decade gone by, filled with the sounds of horse-drawn carriages and chatter of market stalls. Immerse yourself in the town's charm, explore its hidden corners, and create unforgettable memories. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to press the bell button. Also, don't forget to share with me your experience. How about solo travels in Pontypridd? Then we will meet again. See you. Bye.